Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to pay with Cash App on TikTok Shop. So if you're looking to use your Cash App to make payments, so what you can do firstly, just like normally, just open up your TikTok and then go to your TikTok Shop and then just order any item that you wish to purchase. So just go to that feature. So just search for any item and then just add it to your cart. So once you get to your cart, and then when you get to the payment section where you're going to select the payment section and then the payment details, when you get to that page, then what you're going to do, simply go to your Cash App. So open up your Cash App, and then what you're going to do, log into your Cash App account, and then simply go to the cards tab here, which is next to the home tab. So just hit on your cards tab here, and then select your cash card. And then once you select the cash card, you'll be able to see your card details, which is your card number and all those details, similar to your usual bank cards. So you'll get those details. Suppose if you don't have a card, you can simply order a card. If you click on get a free card, you can just choose one and order a card. So once you get the payment details here, all you have to do is simply plug in the card details of your cash card into your TikTok and then complete the transaction. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.